What if I told you some of the people making serious side income right now didn't invent anything new? They didn't quit their jobs, they didn't rent a big shop. They simply bought one small machine on Amazon and turned it into a money-making business. So the real question is, which machine could work for you? And which one could quietly pay your bills while everyone else scrolls smartphone? In today's video, we're breaking down 12 small business machines on Amazon that can actually make money, from simple beginner tools to machines that feel almost unfair once you see what they can do. And trust me, number one is something most people completely overlook, but it can print money if you do it right. Let's get into it. Number 12, SAYOK Inflatable Cash Cube. Let's start with something fun, but surprisingly profitable. The SAYOK Inflatable Cash Cube is that eye-catching box you see at events where money flies everywhere and people jump inside to grab it. Now here's the business angle most people miss. Event planners, car dealerships, malls, brand promotions, they rent this thing, not buy it. You show up, inflate it, run the game, collect the rental fee, and leave. No inventory, no production, no stress. The underrated benefit, it attracts crowds instantly. And crowds mean higher value for clients, so you can charge more. But wait, the next machine flips the script completely. Number 11, oil press machine. Now this one is quiet, but powerful. An oil press machine lets you extract fresh oil from seeds like mustard, coconut, sunflower, sesame, even peanuts. Why is this trending? Because people are obsessed with cold-pressed, chemical-free oil. You can sell locally, to restaurants, online, or even do custom orders. Picture this. Someone brings their own seeds, you press it fresh, they trust it, and they pay premium prices. The sneaky advantage? People pay more for fresh than branded. But if you think that's impressive, this next one feels straight out of the future. Number 10, xTool First Laser Engraver. This machine is a money printer disguised as a gadget. The xTool First Laser Engraver can engrave names, logos, designs on metal, wood, leather, acrylic, fast and clean. Think about the demand. Personalized gifts, business branding, wedding items, corporate orders. One keychain costs cents to make, but personalization turns it into profit. The underrated win here? Speed. Faster jobs equals more orders equals more money. And if customization is king, the next one rules a completely different market. Number 9, soap making kit. This looks simple, but don't underestimate it. Handmade soap is exploding in popularity because people want natural ingredients, skin-safe products, aesthetic packaging. With a soap-making kit, you can create custom soaps for babies, luxury buyers, or gift sets. Here's the secret sauce. Storytelling sells soap. People don't just buy soap, they buy your brand story. And speaking of coating things with profit, watch this. Number 8, Aiev Snack Coater. This machine is sneaky good. The Aiev Snack Coater evenly coats snacks with chocolate, seasoning, or glaze, perfect for nuts, chips, popcorn, candy. Small snack brands love this because it makes products look factory-level professional. The unexpected benefit? Consistency builds trust, and trust builds repeat customers. Now let's talk about one of the most beginner-friendly machines ever. Number 7, Cricut Joy. If you've ever seen custom stickers, labels, decals, this is how they're made. Cricut Joy cuts vinyl, paper, and smart materials with crazy precision. You can create custom mugs, wall decals, laptop stickers, packaging labels. Here's why it works so well. Low startup cost plus endless designs. And once you outgrow cutting vinyl, you upgrade to this.
Number 6, Electric Die Cutter. This is the grown-up version of craft cutting. An electric die cutter handles thicker materials, faster production, and more complex designs. Perfect for packaging, invitations, custom boxes, branding materials. The big advantage? Scale. You can handle bulk orders without burning out. But now, let's move into food machines that businesses love. Number 5, Automatic Can Sealer. This one unlocks a real brand. An automatic can sealer lets you seal drinks, food, and snacks in professional cans. Think cold coffee, energy drinks, snacks, specialty foods. The underrated benefit? Shelf appeal. Cans instantly make your product look legit, and people trust legit. And if sealing is powerful, cleaning can be even more valuable. Number 4. Laser cleaning machine. This feels illegal, but it's not. A laser cleaning machine removes rust, paint, and grime without chemicals, used for auto parts, machinery, restoration jobs. Here's the genius part: you sell a service, not a product. Clients pay per job, no inventory, no waste, high margins. But now, let's get into party businesses. Number 3. Balloon stuffing machine. This thing turns balloons into gift boxes. The balloon stuffing machine fills clear balloons with smaller balloons, gifts, confetti, and lights. Perfect for birthdays, proposals, baby showers. Why it works? Emotional purchases. People spend more when it's for a moment they'll remember. And if personalization is your game, this next one dominates. Number 2. Sublimation Printer. This is one of those machines that looks simple, but once you understand it, you realize why so many small brands are built around it. A sublimation printer lets you permanently transfer full-color designs onto everyday products. T-shirts, mugs, tumblers, phone cases, mouse pads, even keychains. And this isn't vinyl. The ink becomes part of the product itself. No cracking, no peeling, no fading. Here's where the money comes in. Schools need uniforms. Businesses need branded merch. Events need custom giveaways. One design, printed again and again, paid for every single time. The underrated advantage most beginners miss? You can fulfill bulk orders fast without sacrificing quality. And once people see your prints last longer than cheap alternatives, they don't just buy once, they come back. But if you think custom printing is powerful, wait till you see how simple the next machine makes daily cash flow. Number 1. WANTJOIN Cup Sealing Machine. This machine doesn't look flashy. It doesn't look high-tech, but it might be the most practical money-making machine on this entire list. The WANTJOIN Cup Sealing Machine instantly seals drinks, bubble tea, juice, smoothies, iced coffee, clean, tight, and leak-proof. And here's why it works so well. People buy drinks every single day. They don't think about it, they just buy. With this machine, you can run a small drink stall, a home-based beverage brand, a food truck or cafe setup. Seal the cup, hand it over, get paid. Repeat. The hidden superpower? Speed. When lines move faster, you sell more drinks per hour. And customers trust sealed cups more, which means higher confidence, higher volume, and higher profits. That's why this machine isn't just number 1. It's the kind of tool that turns a simple idea into a real, repeatable business. So there you have it, 12 small business machines on Amazon that can actually make money. Each one solves a real problem, each one has real demand, and the right one could completely change how you earn. Now I want to know, which machine shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. If this video helped you think smarter about making money, hit like, subscribe to grab tops, and turn on notifications. Because the next video, it might show the one machine everyone else is ignoring while it quietly makes people rich. See you in the next one.